Hey there! So, we have a problem where we need to count distinct values spread across multiple columns. It's a common issue when dealing with data, right? The example input given includes columns for years, projects, staff members, and costs. We want to count the distinct staff members and calculate the total cost per project. Now, let's dive into the solution provided. The solution tackles the problem using a table value constructor. This method involves converting columns into rows using the values keyword. The script begins by declaring a table variable and populating it with sample data. Then, it performs a select query with a cross-apply section that reshapes the data, allowing for counting distinct staff members and summing up the costs based on the project. By leveraging this approach, the script efficiently handles the task at hand. It's a neat and effective way to solve the problem. To wrap it up, we've explored a clever solution to the problem of counting distinct values spread across multiple columns. By utilizing the table value constructor, we transform the data layout and obtain the desired results with accuracy. Remember, good coding is about finding the most elegant and efficient solutions. Hope you enjoyed this little journey into SQL processing. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonderful world of data.